fix the action can't be completed because the file is open in Windows Explorer on Windows 10 or 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve this action cannot be completed because the file is open, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're trying to delete a certain file or maybe rename or move a certain file, copy and paste a certain file, you're not being able to do so because most likely that particular file could be open in the background somewhere. So just try to locate them and try to check them out or cross them out and close them and see if that actually helps you solve it. If not, you can try to force close it by simply going to the task manager here, right click on select task manager. Then from here you'll be able to see all the background processes. So if that process is also happening in the background, for example, if you have Windows Explorer, right click on it, click on restart, and now after that you can just try to also restart your device. Once you restart your device, then you can try to go ahead and do the action again, and it should help you solve it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.